BabyBus.
Let's find somewhere to have our lunch.
Okay.
Let's take out our lunch boxes. My lunchbox is blue. My lunchbox is pink. Look at mine. It's yellow.
Look, mine is green.
La la la, come to our picnic. Everybody, see what we brought for lunch. Let me show you my lunchbox. Tasty sandwiches, take a look.
Smells good.
Everybody have a bite. Wow. Share together, share together. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Great.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Share with your friends. It's for you. La la la, share together. Come on over, have a bite. La la la, share together. It's so nice to share with good friends. Let me show you my lunchbox. Tasty rice balls, take a look. Yeah. Everybody have a bite. Smells good. Share together. Yummy, 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 yummy. Great. Yummy, 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 yummy. Share with your friends. It's for you. La la la, share together. Come on over, have a bite. La la la, share together. It's so nice to share with good friends. It was so fun today. We had a lot of delicious food.
I like the sandwiches best, and the pasta, rice balls, oh, and sushi.
Let's do this again sometime.
Okay.